guess our biggest concern was humidity under the basement. And when we used Frontier basement systems in the past, that problem was taken care of. So once we got moved into our new home, we called Frontier Basement Systems and scheduled them to come out and encapsulate and take care of any humidity problems under our house. First experience with you guys was probably our biggest need. We actually had water under the house. At times it would be a foot deep, and ever since you completed the project, there was no water, and we could use that space as storage. It just opened up part of the house that we've not been able to use. From the beginning, communication was great. They stayed in touch about the appointment date, and when that day came, the foreman that was over the project did come up and introduce himself, and then again walk through the area to make sure that he understood what was to be done and the needs that I wanted addressed. Yeah, I think they were trying to make an effort for me to understand why they were doing the things that they were doing, and that really helped me appreciate the job that they did.